Hey Thomas, see again. So very good question. So right now we have support a few model around out the box. So let me show with you now. So for example in here, so we have OpenAI, Gemini, Entropiq, Cloudera, Replicate, and so on. So when you are building an agent or workflow, you can try some of them. So for example, I will create a new workflow. Let's say for Thomas, I will create a new workflow. And in here, when I'm having it here out the box, this one is supporting two model. As you can see, DeepSeek and Gemini and so on, Entropiq HiQ. So it's kind of like built-in LLM node of the platform. But you can always having some of the platforms, for example like OpenAI. You go here, you have a ChatGPT, connect your API key here, and then you will see all the model. For example, I will connect my API key, and then it will load all the model that we can have in here. And you can also having the Entropiq as well. Entropiq, so add cloud there, and in here you will have all of the connection. Oh, I don't have the connection in here, but anyway, so we have support HiQ, Sonnet, Opus, and 3.5, 2.7, and we also having the Gemini. Let me see, Gemini. Okay, you can go in here, and also you can see all the model that Gemini is currently have. So 2.0 and 1.5 support out of the box, but we are also working on the 2.5 as well. So for example, like you go into our feature base, you will see that there is a roadmap that we already have, and currently you can see a 4.1 and everything is on the top. You can also net vote for the Gemini 2.0 as well, so we are working on that. We're also having Grok and other open router as well. So hope this helps, and yeah, let me know if you have any question. Thanks, bye.